loves me just so. No, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride, 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 ride me.
What's up, beauties? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got our fall.
Hey girl, it's Lee. I'm gonna go ahead and take over this voiceover. So if you want to achieve this fall look, go ahead and keep on watching. So this month, WowAfrican will be donating some of the proceeds to Long Beach Medical Center in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Today's wig is a long bob with a bleached crease. It's got a nice purple hue to it, might be the lighting, but just so you know in person, it does have the natural aesthetic of like an autumn tree branch. So you got these little springs in the back. Obviously hook those up to the back of your neck, and that'll help wrap it around the front, keep the head warm. Don't go to a club in this because you're going to be sweating. It's going to slide back. Go ahead and spray it down. This is a gots to be super hard spray. It will get crusty, so make sure that you're very kind with your sprays. Here we go. We got the blow dryer. Well, hold on. Let me get this right. There we go. Tucked back. See what I was talking to you guys earlier about? This is where we need to keep it tight, keep it locked in. A little shimmy. Here we got this little magic potion. This is going to keep you from looking greasy. So if you got skin like me, I just be looking shiny for no reason. You know, I got out the shower and I'm already shining. So this is going to combat that. Put that on before you apply everything else, and that'll make sure that you look stable enough to continue your day. What we got here is Stay Putty. I don't know what that means, but what that means is it's going to do something magical for your face. Now put that on your eyelids. Keep it nice, keep it glittery. This is going to set the tone for what's about to happen. Make sure that you're right with this, because if you fail here, then you're going to fail everywhere else. So make sure that's tucked in right in the eyelid. All right, today we're going to go with this brown in honor of the fall month. So here we go. Let me crease that over. There we go. Keep the focus. So right here, I'm taking a concealer to actually give you that cut crease. We do this obviously so that we can distinguish an eyebrow to an eyelid to an eyeball. All right, so now we got this orange. We're gonna put this in the pattern because obviously this is where we get the fall occasion look. Sweeping over, blending again. Blending it from the outer corner all the way into the middle. Why we do this, I don't know, but you guys do a good job at it, especially this girl right here. Here I'm applying the pencil eyeliner because the liquid would just be messy and getting into all the powder stuff that I just created for y'all. So now this is just gonna sharpen up all the edges that might have been loosening up that powder. All right, so this is the Brittany Bear Exotic Lash right here. Now here we got the foundation. I'll be applying this under my cheekbones, and that is when we create the illusion of contour. So this is what's gonna help do that for y'all ladies. All right, and here we go. This is the concealer powder combo, and this will be applied to what I just did to give you the contour effect. This helps me look like I'm not so round and more cut and creased like a doll. Okay, so here we go. Now this is the powder. This is going to keep everything in place for what I just did earlier, and this mats it out. Young blood coffee, that's my favorite drink, by the way. We're going to go ahead and just lightly press that over our face. You know I do this a lot, but I guess this is what we got to do to achieve that look, right? So more under the eyelids. These poor bags are going to hate me by the end, but right now we're applying as much as we can because why not? We got enough of it and I spend all this money on it, so I might as well. So here we got the brown bronzer. This is to create the crease and define it, so now our face is looking more snatched from when we first started, all right? As you can see, now we look like we were cut from God's favorite son. Next is a lighter bronzer from that first shade to kind of fade it out, right? So that it's not so sharp and it looks a little more natural with the skin. Now after that, we got some more eyeliner here, and this is just to touch on anything I might have missed earlier. And now we can finally see a finished product here. So we're using the black here, obviously, so we give it a more spooky, smoky look. And yeah, that's how we're getting that look going. Touch on that brown, purple stuff again. And this is just to smoke it out, right? Smoke it out, baby. And you're kind of finally seeing what's happening here. Hope you're liking this. Apply your best skills for this look. Next we have the mascara. Now this is to take those spider eyelashes I put on and just basically give them steroids. So now we're moving into the highlighter for the inner corner. And as you can see, everything's very lightly pressed because, you know, we're not going to redo this, that's for sure. So we got to be right with it. Next is a blush, and this is just to give you that little bit of hope, right? And this will make us look like we're kind of happy to be here. I'll put at the top of the nose. Next is another highlighter. This is a little lighter. And this is just to give you that glow. So we took the grease out, but we want to give you glow. So we can have glow, not grease, right? A little bit on the nose, so I look like I was a character from The Grinch. Cool, right down the middle. Keep that contour looking right. Snatched right up on the eyebrow. And now we're taking the MAC pencil to line our lips, right? Because we want them lips of an angel. So here we go, line up on the bottom, and this is just gonna make our lips look even fuller, right? Without the injections. So take my other lip and just make it a little bit fatter. Touch it, and now we got the HMB Cosmetics, and we're going to just shine them up. Now it's the Il Makiage Kylie Bible. It's too many damn names. This is the Il Makiage and Kylie Bible collab. Put your lips together, pucker up, suck them in. And now we're just straightening the wig. Make sure there's no creases in there, and so that way we are looking really natural with it. So we want to give these ends a little bump to give them a little more fullness. And that's what we need. Now, here we got the flyaway tamer, and this is going to help keep them flyaways from coming out, and keeps it real sleek, real proper. And I'm ready to go out. I'm ready to take on the night. So this is the fall look, y'all. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. These are my earrings. They make me feel really religious and saved. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. God bless y'all.